I'm George Fair. I am a BTSS intern with Data and AI, and I'm here with...
I'm Colin. I'm also a BTSS intern on the DevOps team, and today we'd like to present to you our Bobathon. We have a sales intelligence tool, and as we know, sales is hard. People spend hours on end, dialing, making cold calls, all to book that one meeting. But what happens when that one meeting comes around? People are researching endlessly on more hours, figuring out the way to position their products to tailor that company. But what if there was a way to streamline all that? What if there was a way for sellers to get that in just a snap of the fingers?
Absolutely. So think about it. Our solution, Bobvengers Sales Intelligence, instead of spending hours coming through Seismic, this already has access to the data that you need, and you can prompt Bobvenger to get that exact data. One note is this is all sample data. It has nothing to do with IBM and its products.
Yes, sir. Now let's take a look at our demo. So as you can see here, our demo, we can do things like show me client profiles. And from there, we can see things like budget, product, type, if it's public or private. And from there, we can really, tailor our pitches from there if we know what the company's working with.
And are these sample companies that we have hundreds of pages of data on?
Yeah.
And it's reading through those?
We have a strong database of thousands of companies, so we can have tons of information just to keep on tailoring. And then next we can go over some more prompts that we have. So let's say we're like, oh, give me 3 companies in the healthcare space and just look at some of their gaps. For example, let's take a look at this health company, Novamed. We can see here all these identified gaps from there, and even have our own tailored sales pitch out and ready to go just like that. Does that sound useful to you, George?
Absolutely, it does. I want to also kind of take a second to look at, maybe I'm on a call with Greystone Logistics.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely. So I'm on a call with Greystone Logistics. They've expressed concerns with durability and security, right? So what this does is this is generating an entire prompt here of information that I can use to objection handle. Look, I even got a call ready positioning, all generated by Bob, okay? And we keep on going down. We got another prompt here. We're looking at, they're asking about a breakdown of prices. Give me a quote. Include a summary proposal and a detailed breakdown of our prices. You don't have to do that anymore. Bobvenger can do that all for you now. And obviously you would have to go and verify this information. Maybe you have to make a few edits, but this is what Bobvenger is doing for you. Another thing I'd like to call to mind too is this also has information about our products and how we can position them in the market to our clients. More on Bob and its architecture. I would love to bring a face to the brain. Let's bring on Ethan Silverthorne, please.
Hello, my name is Ethan Silverthorne, and me, along with Isaac Fisher, are the brains behind this operation. I want to go ahead and give you kind of a technical breakdown on exactly what's happening here. Because of the constraints of this project, we're not allowed to use real IBM data, so instead we've curated this mock data set with both a set of clients and a set of products, right? And when we query the AI, it's able to grab specific things about these products and these clients and put together in such a way that it can grab only the information that it needs. So what it's doing in the background here is it's taking all of these files and using local models, which enhances security because we're not sharing any of this data with the cloud or we're putting it out on the internet. This is all done on a local machine. With these 40 sort of mock products, we were able to parallel process these and batch process these in a way where we processed all of the metadata into a sort of MCP-like server under 8 minutes, right? And so now that we had this available, we're able to prompt and get very specific answers using Bob Shell. Bob Shell is communicated to using a relay in the terminal. This would actually be extremely useful for anyone in sales and be able to give specific suggestions. It can give sales pitch. And we only demoed a couple of the features it was able to do. There is so much more information it's able to glean from these documents and so many more recommendations that it could make. Thank you.
I'm Eddie. I'm Tyler. And now that you can see what Bobvenger can do to revolutionize sales here at IBM, let's see what Bobvenger has to say about it.
Go Bob!